Falls waterfall. This one's pretty fun. There's a lot of little off the path adventures, and there's a lot of rocks. A bunch of rocks.
Stay tuned for the end here. We've got some blooper videos. Welcome to the Imaginative Workshop. I'm G. Willow. We're here at Wolf Creek Falls Trailhead, just outside of Roseburg, Oregon. It's on the Little River Road, and we're getting ready to do about a 1.5 mile hike. It has a lot of trees canopied over, and we'll give you some hints as we go along. Join us. Make sure you subscribe. This is a little river. It's running really fast from all the snow melt. This empties out into the Umpqua, big river.
There are some swimming holes up and down this that Emily calls mermaid holes.
They say the trail is a little muddy, but there's enough pine duff here that it doesn't create a problem. At least not for me. The thing you do have to watch out for is this bridge.
Oh, it's flowing. You can't even hunt for rocks right now. Spot is underneath this bridge. I find a lot of quartz, like just natural quartz. This clover, they don't really like sun. You'll notice like the difference whenever the sun shines on them, that they close up. So yeah, they like to expand in the shade. A lot of oxygen. Good air. They got mushrooms right here. And those are decomposers, so they're going to start to decompose that one.
It's amazing that these huge trees can just fall, uproot, and then decompose. You see the dust all along this trail. I just wandered upon this cross that's stuck to a tree. I have no idea what it stands for.
I won't scare you away, so I won't do it.
Okay, so we'll have to walk along the edge here. It's just rock. One little slip and I'm in the water. That's not going to be fun. So we'll see how this goes. Well, so far so good. It's rock. It's not too slippery. This is where hiking Steve's coming really good. Oh, yeah.
Okay, this is something cool I want to show you. There's trees and bushes that grow out of literal rocks. So you cannot tell me that a rock is dead or has nothing in it, because how in the heck then can a tree grow out of a rock? And you can see it all across this forest. It's the most...
Well, Jesus said that if we didn't praise him, the rocks would do so. And there you go. Living rocks. Here's a big old slug we just came across on the trail. He's moving really slow.
This is my favorite rock wall. It looks like a bunch of fairies live here. And it always looks different depending on the season. I've never seen it like this. It's really neat.
the rock wall where the fairies live, right here. At the mile mark, there's a huge tree, and there's a little trail that goes around it right there. I recommend you take it. The view is amazing on the other side. This trail has only one place that requires you to climb an elevation within a few hundred feet. And this is it. This is the worst of it on this trail, and if that's it, we're good to go. Well, there's a trail that goes right over here. I wonder what's up there. We're going to take a little detour here, see what's at the top and where this trail leads to. Something hidden up there. Well, not too far from the waterfall, a viewing point, there's a little trail that I'm sure nobody knows about. It comes up to this bench, and you can gaze out there through the branches and see the waterfall. It's a hidden secret here at Wolf Creek Falls. Well, this trail's about 1.5 miles to Wolf Creek Waterfall. Quite amazing. And remember, the best is yet to come. Welcome to the Imagineers Workshop. I'm G. Willow. I'm here at the Wolf Creek Falls outside of Peel, Oregon. It's the waterfall trail. We're getting ready. And I've got 2 hikers that are going to be joining me. Welcome to the Imagineers Workshop. I'm G. Willow. I'm here at Wolf Creek Falls. Welcome to the Imagineers Workshop. I'm G. Willow. I'm here at Wolf Creek Falls Trailhead. Yeah. There's Sasquatch hiding in the trees.
And then you would have to go back up.
What do you think about that?
What? That? Well, if I could slide down this, are you videotaping? If I could slide down this log, it's not too bad going down, but it's coming back up.
It's all rocky.
You want to go down there?
That's up to you.
Ah.
I know we would have to go back up.
I don't have a problem going back up.
Yeah, the going down is kind of wet.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, that's good. And whenever it's sunnier.
What's that? Okay, you ready? Say action.
This is confusing. Action!
Coming up. And are you videotaping?
There you go.
There was only the one little climb elevation, and it's kind of leveled out. So we're going to see what else is on this trail. What? Watch the puddle. You got to do what? I don't know what that is. You can only guess. Action.
These little. Oh, I can't pick it. I can't. Okay.
It'll probably should follow me, kind of. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, that was the steepest part. Hopefully, it doesn't get any steeper than that. Time to take this jacket off. Ah!
Oh!
There's your blooper. Did that look too fake?